Now we're going to duplicate our leg and mirror the duplicate to join two meshes together to start on our torso, basically creating the trunk that we're going to extrude from. This bit can be frustrating and very tricky if you're not used to these kind of operations, so make sure you save. So if you make a mistake, you can go back and fix the problem. Right, now Bob's bottom is looking a bit flat there, so oops, wrong one. Go into edit mode and we can sort that out. If you haven't already sorted it out, I assume you would have on your own, doing your own detail passes, just to create a bit of a more rounded tushy. And it's better to do it now than later, because we're gonna have two sets of vertices to worry about. Don't worry too much about the details. Plenty of time. You'll have plenty of time to sort all of this out. Anyway, let's start on the actual joining of new meshes and duplication of new meshes. We're going to want to extrude a tiny little bit around here, so go into face mode, Control Tab, select face, and select these ones. I think what I want to do is move those so they're a bit flatter. So scale, that'll probably snap and not. Yeah, go into vertex mode to do that one. That's actually looking alright. Doesn't have to be dead on, because we're going to be merging the two, essentially. Okay. Now we're ready to duplicate our mesh, so come out of edit mode by pressing tab, or in object mode. Shift D to duplicate, and if we've got a new leg there, but right click to cancel the move operation, and then press S to scale, X for the axis we're going to do it on, then -1, and that will flip our leg round, so we've got one over here too. And since we started off right here as a cube, the pivot point is actually right at the foot. To remedy that, just left click to bring the cursor up to where you want to be able to use the transform tool, which I use quite a lot. And then there's a little handy tool here in the edit buttons called center cursor, and I don't know if you saw that, but the pivot point is now centered where you relocated the 3D cursor. So we can move that lot along now, and we want it to be pretty much overlapping. Really want to turn off the mesh smooth, and so we'll just go that and turn off that, and then do the same for that one, just so we've got a more accurate way of looking at where they're going to overlap. That looks okay. So now we're going to join the two meshes. So select one mesh and then right shift click another one and press Ctrl J, and it'll ask if you want to join the meshes, which you do, so press OK for that. And when you go into edit mode, you'll see they are all part of the same mesh now. And going to wireframe mode and border, select those, or box select, sorry, and we're going to want to bring those together. So scale X, that should be fine. There's a handy little tool in the mesh tools over here called remove doubles, which will get rid of any unwanted superfluous vertices, so click that. Now I'll remove 4, I'm not sure if that's all of them. 1, 2, 3, no, that's not. Some of them haven't joined, I don't think. Yeah, got a pair over here. I'm not sure if we want to. Let's have a look. Did we delete those faces? There's our problem. We should have deleted those faces there, not the ones these two here. Oh, that's causing problems already, so I'll just go back. It's an easy mistake to make, to forget to do something like that, so and what steps undo. Damn. Oh, we should be able to select those faces fairly easily. There we go. See, if we didn't delete those, that actually has caused problems when we're trying to remove the doubles, because still thinks they're faces when they shouldn't be there. But there we go. Got rid of those. I hope we can still salvage this. Okay. Oops. And to move any doubles. I think that's a lot of them. Now come out of edit mode and you'll see we've got a fairly ugly seam here. The reason why it's doing that is because the normals aren't facing the right way, which is basically the way the polygons or the faces should be facing, which is outwards. So select the entire mesh when in edit mode, Control N to recalculate the normals outside of the mesh, and that should fix the problem. But it hasn't, because I don't think it joined up